temperature however much you need. You can experiment with all different kinds of items, and also you can help reduce your packaging this way. The various items that you can get from the bulk section includes different legumes like beans and lentils and peas. You can also bulk up on nuts and seeds like almonds, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, and you can get a whole array of different grains like rice, pasta, quinoa, and oats. You can get a whole bunch of spices here in the bulk section like cinnamon powder, garlic powder, and chili powder, and you don't need to commit to buying a whole entire package of spices. We recommend having non-perishable foods in every pantry. These foods are great because they have a long shelf life and can be stored without refrigeration. These foods include canned goods like canned beans, vegetables, and various fruits, and also foods in glass packaging like tomato sauce. When choosing nut butters, we recommend you choose the ones that are 100% all nuts. This is because this is packed with protein and is an excellent healthy choice. Another great breakfast option is to include oats into your diet. These are a really simple, accessible, affordable, and quick way to include whole grains into your breakfast.